Deadly Hits, Read Aloud, page 8. A new version of Madden NFL was created too. No longer are injured players glamorized, meaning they're not looking like they're all fancy and it's good to injured. The markers of the video game say they now see it as an important educational tool for kids' safety in sports. These are encouraging steps, but most experts say that concussions are still a cause for concern in youth sports, according to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. 69% of teen athletes return to play despite having concussion symptoms. This is a problem that Zach and his family are working to change. And now our final subheading, the road to recovery. It's been almost 14 years since Zach's injuries. His recovery has been long and difficult. Zach spent most of high school in a wheelchair. He did 30 to 40 hours of physical therapy a week. Today, Zach can walk with the help of a cane. There is no one tougher than my son, Zach's father said. Sometimes players and parents wrongly believe that it shows strength and courage to play injured. Strength is seeing Zach stand up out of his wheelchair and learn to talk again. Zach and his family are still fighting for safety in youth sports. Their work has helped change the way many players, coaches, parents, and fans think. Zach also travels around the country, spreading the word about the dangers of concussions. Everywhere he goes, his message is the same. No game is more important than your life.